morning. Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing here? How's you guys doing today? Okay, so let's see. Big gap down today. So it looks like yesterday's move, the past 3 days move, it was like kind of like a bear flag. Looks like that. You guys have my levels, my watch list, everything on my Discord. What's my plan for today? What I'm looking to play today. We have Microsoft earnings after market close, so I'm not gonna trade the challenge accounts today. I'm only gonna trade my accounts. I kind of want everything to settle up, and see what's gonna be the real market trend after earnings. And I think with Meta yesterday and Microsoft today, I think it's gonna be a little bit more clear for me to trade the challenge accounts. Yeah, it kind of looks like a bear flag here with the SPY. I would like to see like a little bounce and possible 500 rejection. Oh yeah, we have news at 10, right? Microsoft is crazy weak. Apple is looking so far very strong. I wanted to see Apple retest of 168. It looks like it did it pre-market. Nvidia going for yesterday's low. SPY is already like breaking down. The Q, it's kind of holding there. AMD bouncing. I want to see AMD rejecting yesterday's low so we can play that rejection. But we have data at 10. So I don't know if I'm gonna wait after data or gonna do it before, and that will be a little bit risky. Let's watch 800. Morning. SPY is very, very weak. Couldn't even go up and retest the VWAP. Microsoft, very weak also. This is another one. This is Moody Blues. Is this one? Moody Blues. So far I think this one is the winner between all the playlists that I've tried that I can use on YouTube. I think this is the winner. Yeah, I have music now. Thank you, Marcus. Same thing for you. Okay, so we have like individual stocks moving, but SPY and the Q are not doing anything. So Nvidia is rejecting yesterday's low. If it goes under the VWAP, that's very, very bearish. That's a clear rejection of yesterday's low. That's gonna make SPY or the Q go way lower. But Google is moving very strongly to the upside. I want to see kind of like an ugly reaction there on Nvidia to play the downside on the Q. Or yes, I think yes, it looks weaker. Like SPY looks weaker. $800. Nvidia's going for 800. And AMD 151. Around 152 is the next level of resistance on AMD. But like I said, we have individual stocks moving a lot, but SPY and the Q are not doing anything, like nothing at all. Okay, I'm gonna try here a little short on NQ. If it breaks the VWAP, I'm out. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. If it closes strongly holding the VWAP, that's pretty bullish. Most likely it's gonna go higher, and we'll see if it's gonna fill the gap to the upside. But that's a very strong move on Nvidia. Big move also on AMD. What's going on with Nvidia? That thing is like boom boom. Okay, I'm out. That was a very strong move. So now we want to see if it is really gonna be bullish. We want to see consolidation here. SPY is very weak, and the Q, that move was very strong, but SPY is not even above 500 or the VWAP. Nvidia rejecting A10. $153 ugly reaction on AMD. What's Meta doing? Meta chart right now is so weird because it has kind of went inside the old gap that Meta had, and now it made a new gap inside the old gap. So basically Meta is between a gap, but it created another gap, and it's so weird. So I'm not looking to trade Meta this week. I kind of want to see how the weekly candle is gonna close, and how what's the, like, I want to see a clear trend for Meta to trade next week. I kind of want to play this rejection here on ES, on SPY, I'm sorry, because the SPY is rejecting this level here. That's Tuesday low. It's under 500 and couldn't even touch the VWAP. That's pretty weak. But the thing is, like, the Q, it's holding support. So it's very mixy. You guys on anything or waiting? Any good trades today so far? Yeah. It's weird to look for any trade when we have kind of the Q looking bullish while SPY is very bearish. See, like the Q, it's consolidating at support, while the SPY is rejecting resistance. And it's very weak because couldn't even go to the VWAP or 500. I wanted to see SPY, like I was looking to enter here SPY, but I wanted to get it like closer to the VWAP or 500. But it looks like it's about to die. I don't really have levels here on Microsoft, and I don't care what, like I don't care about Microsoft right now, because why you want to trade Microsoft today? It has earnings today after market. Like IV must be like very high. It's not worth it. Nope. I don't want to take advantage of any premium in the market. I don't like how the market is moving right now. And technically I already took advantage of the premium because I'm selling Microsoft calls with spreads. I'm in spreads. Okay, we have data in like 7 minutes. Let's wait and see what's gonna happen after data. What's gonna be the real direction? So far, SPY looks extremely weak. And I feel like it's gonna die. So when you wanna take advantage of any premium, you wanna, like what I do is like I sell premium a few days before, like the same week that we have that the earnings coming, like Microsoft. I bought premium on Monday. Like I'm selling premium on Microsoft and I got in on Monday. Like I always do it like a few days before. Morning, Steve. See, this is so mixed. Look at this. Q looks super bullish. SPY looks very bearish. What's the logic? Because I'm selling premium very out of the money. So when you have a few days before, when you bought those a few days before, you can sell those. Like, how to explain this? So right now let's just say Microsoft is at 400, right? And I want to sell premium, like today is Thursday and it has earnings to today after market, so you only have one day. You only have one, like tomorrow, because I sell premium weekly, so I only have one day. So how much premium I'm gonna gain if I sell the let's just say 450 calls? Nothing. Those things are gonna be worthless. So if I bought it on Monday, I can sell the 450 calls because they have a lot of premium. But if I bought it today, we end the week tomorrow, so there's nothing to sell there. You have no time. And if I like selling premium when earnings coming up the same week, because if you buy for, again, if Microsoft have earnings today, if you buy it for next week, those contracts can easily go against you, and the premium dies down on the way that the more days it takes. So basically you want to make it very difficult for your contracts to be in the money. And if the earnings are this week and you're selling premium for next week, the premium is not gonna be as high as the same week. Okay, so we have 2 more minutes for data. Okay, if the data it's bad, so basically if the market moves to the downside, the one that is gonna move the most, it's gonna be SPY. If the data is good, I'll be looking to scalp the Q to the upside, because the Q is the one that it looks stronger right now. It's consolidating at support. Okay, data it's out. Let's see if it's really gonna be bullish or bearish. Okay, so to play the downside, I want to see the Q losing this level here. Let's say this level here and rejecting there. Yeah, that's pre-market low. Microsoft looks like it's bear flagging. Nvidia so far is down moving, but it's holding. Google looking weak. Apple looking very weak. AMD holding 151. Oh, we Googled earnings today? Yes? Let's see. Oh yeah, and Microsoft also. Yeah. Okay, so Meta, why Meta was down was the earnings bad, but it was like lower ads sales, or why was Meta earnings bad? Because that affected Google, and obviously Google had earnings today, so it already had a gap down. It's gonna gap down again today. And let's see if the Q is gonna really lose this level. Oh, okay. Thank you, Donnie. I don't think that's bad. That's normal. Like, any company want to invest money on something that is gonna be growing in the future. So I don't know why that's bad. I don't think it's bad saying that they want to invest more in AI. But whatever. That's why I don't really pay attention to the news or any data. I just trade the charts. Monetizing that is not a problem. Trust me, they're already making money on AI. Do you use Instagram? Do you see how, like, I updated my IG this week, and I see, like, asking me all the time, like, every time that I'm gonna search something, everything's with AI. So I don't think that is, like, monetizing AI. I don't think that's a problem. Okay, I'm gonna go long here on the Q. I like how it held that level, like, very strong. Okay, I'm gonna sell one, a few there. Let's see. I want to see Microsoft breaking 393. I think this is gonna be the next level that I'm gonna take profits. Tesla not looking good at all. That was a very clean pre-market high reaction on Tesla. And Google kept going higher, but those candles are very weak. Yeah, Meta curling up. Nvidia looks like it was flagging pretty strong. Google pretty strong also. Same thing with Microsoft. Apple doing nothing. Apple looking weak. Meta's pretty strong. Okay. Gonna sell one more there. $156. Let's watch $156 on Google and Apple $168. Crazy strong push on Nvidia. Let's sell one more there. SPY needs to break the VWAP. If not, is for me the market, like, for me it's not like, I'm not super happy about this move to the upside if SPY keeps rejecting the VWAP. Even if it breaks the VWAP, needs to break 500. Meta keeps going higher. Anyone make money on this upside move here? That's awesome. 20 contracts? That's a lot. 20 contracts, that's a lot. That's a big size. Big boy size. I'm gonna sell one more here, just in case we reject hard there. If I see the Q breaking here and SPY breaking the V1, I'm gonna add more. beautiful, beautiful push here. Microsoft holding 493 as support is very bullish, but SPY needs to break these resistance here. Okay, looking pretty good. AMD, it's kind of stuck under 154. And let's see now, Nvidia a little bit under 830. Let's see how it's gonna react there. If this 30-minute candle closes like that on the Q, that's crazy strong. That's very big engulfing bullish candle. The thing I don't like is SPY still having trouble under this level. But this move is meta, and yeah, well, we have a lot of things moving up Meta, Google, Nvidia. Google and Nvidia right now are right at resistance. Come on, SPY, break that level. Okay. Important level here on SPY. We're gonna need Google and Nvidia to break that level, those resistance levels. 156 on Google. If Google can use 156 as support, it's 156. Yeah, 156.50. If that level can act as support, Google is gonna go for the entire gap till yesterday's open. Nvidia needs to break, I will say 828. And the next resistance on Meta, it's a little bit under 453. We need a boom boom here for SPY. Okay, so we have a rejection there on Google. And Nvidia too. Well, Meta keeps going higher. think I want to sell here and then just wait until I see SPY breaking 500 and 500 acting as support. The thing is, like, this 30-minute candle on the Q is very bullish. Getting out. I'm gonna wait for a SPY to break this level. If we see that, I play the upside here. Yeah, and that wick on Meta is also bearish. Same thing with Nvidia. So yeah, those 30-minute candles on both SPY and Q are very bullish, but I wanted to keep it safe here and wait because this 500 is a big resistance on SPY. So if SPY can really break 500 and that level act as support, we can play this entire gap. Thank you for being here, Sam. See you tomorrow. Bye. Enjoy your green day. SPY under the VWAP, that's gonna be very bearish and most likely gonna lead here. Good exit here. Let's see if SPY is gonna reject the VWAP here. $498.65. If you're looking for loans, I will go with the Q. The Q is stronger than SPY so far. Hello. Hola. I like that reaction there on SPY. I'm gonna go short there. I'm gonna hold as long as SPY keeps rejecting the VWAP. No, it's not hard. It's just, it depends what account you're using. But also, you shouldn't be looking to pass your evals in one day, because basically you're YOLOing or trading with a huge size, and then that you're gonna pass that bad habit to your PAs, and then you're gonna blow up your PAs. No, you cannot choose an option. Like, makes no sense. Like, you don't have to pass a evaluation account in one day. Just if you pass it in one day, you can go right away to the PA. So it's not a rule to pass. You can take a month, 2 months, 6 months to pass any eval. It's up to you. They're just giving you the option to go from an eval to a PA in one day if you passed. But it's not like a rule that you need to pass in one day. You can take as long as you want. This kind of looks like a bear flag here. Maybe. Right? But it also could be an inverse head and shoulder. What do you mean? What if you pass and then you lose? So if you pass a eval and then you get a PA and you lose that PA, nothing happened. You just lost that account, and then you need to go back and buy another eval, pass that eval to get another PA. Okay, I like that move. Beautiful. Let's see if we can have any continuation here. Gonna lock a little profits there. I don't like that move. We want to see like continuation. I don't want to see like a long wick at the bottom because that's bullish. I want to see this 5-minute candle closing weak, not strong. It depends on what account you're using. I like the 100K account and I use minis there. I use a regular VWAP. I don't like that move. on SPY. But Google is very strong. Apple is moving a little bit higher. Microsoft holding. I want to see rejections here. Is this a head and shoulder on the Q? Maybe. Yes, of course. Of course you need to pay for that. Nothing is free. But you can get up to 90% off on the link. Let me see. The link up in the chat. You have my code and my link for Apex. If you got the 50K account, yeah, go with micros. Yeah, possible head and shoulder here. It is weird, like SPY is stuck in the middle of nowhere. It's clearly rejecting these 500 resistance, but it's not moving. I think it's because tech so far is holding. Come on, just die already. I don't trade gold. I don't. Nvidia also looks like a head and shoulder. Same thing with Meta. A plus setups are setups that have nothing that it might go against you. So you're going with the trend, let's just say you're shorting something or going with puts. So you need an overall downtrend, you need to get in at resistance, at a strong resistance. You don't want like any SPY or the Q or any of the big techs going against you. Like, yeah, you like A plus setups are setups that you have nothing that it might go against you. Like this put play on SPY is not an A plus setup because the Q is holding support, and a bunch of tech stocks are holding very good. So I basically going against a few other important things. Like, yes, I can see a clear bear flag on SPY rejected a very important level, but the Q maybe make it difficult for me, right? Or Meta maybe makes it difficult for me, for my trade. Same thing with Google is looking very strong, so that might go against my trade. Oops. Okay, so Microsoft is looking pretty weak right now. It's about to lose the VWAP. If the Q loses this level, I'm gonna play short here. But there's some, like, for A plus setups, I have like a 3-4 things that I want to see on an A plus setup before taking those trades. But I teach that on my mentoring program. If Meta loses the VWAP, it's gonna drag the market more down. I want to see the Q losing this level here so we can play like a stronger move to the downside. I watch all the big techs. Like right now I'm watching 5. So right now I'm watching Google, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Meta. Microsoft is dying, but the Q keeps holding here. It's pretty mixed. Nvidia is holding, Google is looking very strong, Apple is holding, Meta so far is holding the VWAP. So the only one that I see like very weak is Microsoft. Yeah, I know. Right now it's like pretty choppy. So basically, SPY looks bearish, right? But it's holding, I will say, morning low, like this level here. So it's moving between this little range, and the Q keeps holding here. And the Q is fighting here. Yeah, needs to break this neckline to really be a head and shoulder. Okay, I'm out. I don't like how the Q is holding here. And Nvidia looks strong. Meta is holding very strong the VWAP. So we want to see SPY and the Q losing this morning's low. Otherwise, there's no shorts here. Look at that move. Yeah, right now I do think it's more bullish than bearish, especially with that big gap above that both SPY and the Q have. But it doesn't look strong. But it doesn't look like super bullish either. So basically we have nothing. Like, look, this small range that SPY and the Q's been moving around. Like, you kind of need to wait and see to which side it's gonna break out. Yeah, that also, yeah. Again, like I said yesterday, it's very expected to see choppy market when we have important news or data or earnings coming up. But the Q still looks like a head and shoulder. Apex is only for futures. So I don't know what time earnings are gonna be released, but yeah. If the futures market is open at that time, yes. This is so boring. We have nothing. So it's already 11 o'clock and so far SpandeQ have no clear direction. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. If I don't see anything that I like, I'll end the stream because it's so boring. Like I can't keep watching this, not moving anywhere. I don't know, like maybe trading with news. I don't know because I don't trade at that time. Market, I don't like how the market move. I only trade during the normal, like regular trading hours. But go ask Apex. I think it's better if you ask them. I also don't really trade like big data or earnings or anything like that. Kind of want to go long here. But I'm gonna wait and see if the SPY is gonna finally break this high. If that happens, we can play long here. Microsoft moving higher. Microsoft today is very choppy. Very choppy. Going under and over the VWAP. Google. I think Google was the one today. Even though it has earnings, maybe somebody knows something about Google earnings. Because why is Google moving so much to the upside? With very weird candlesticks. So we know we're having a choppy day with nothing. Like we have the SPY and the Q not really respecting the VWAP. So right now it's worthless. The VWAP doesn't work at all. From options to futures, yeah. Futures, I love futures. Futures are so easy. You just, well, I was gonna say it's super easy, but no. But yeah, basically you just gotta buy and sell at support or resistance. Like you don't need to think about creeks, how much time you wanna get on those contracts, nothing. Just 100% focused on the chart. In fact, yeah, people that are very good at trading, like very good traders, they say that trading must be boring because it's always the same, and you most of the time you should be waiting for good setups. Like you need to wait for the setups to come to you, not you trying to chase the market. Well, yesterday I had the best margarita I ever had in my life. It was like spicy, skinny, pineapple cucumber margarita. But it was so good. I had like 3. Is this really gonna be a head and shoulder on the queue? Needs to break the neck here. Or maybe this is the neck. Who knows? Ugh. Meta losing the VWAP. You can trade after drinking? How much do you drink? I'm not a big drinker. I drink like 2... I get like 2, maybe max 3, 4 drinks and I'm done. I'm not a heavy drinker at all. With 2? Well, it depends on the size of the drink, because like the regular margaritas are like this, but I go sometimes on Thursday happy hours, I go to this Mexican place that the margaritas are like huge, like literally the size of my face. And I don't even drink, I cannot even drink 1 there. But yeah, the regular ones I'll take, most of the time I take like 2, maybe 3. Bum, bum, bum. No, I don't use level 2. I only use what you guys are seeing here. That's the only... This is everything that I use to trade. I don't pay attention to the DOM here at all. Not today, but every single day, yes. I think I get asked every single day, but not today so far. That's a new one. No, I don't get asked in person, because in Miami, like we all know, like I can see a Colombian, Brazilian, Venezuelan, Argentinian just by looking at them. Like I think we all know, like Cuban also, we can recognize ourselves on the street here in Miami. At least we all know. Yeah, I can tell when somebody from, especially like Argentinian, very easy, Cuban, Venezuelan, Colombian, all of them. But no, that I get asked here on the stream all the time. No, I haven't decided, but I don't think I'm gonna go to the Keys. Because why I was thinking about going to the Keys if I don't like the Keys? That's a nice pickup line. I might go to Naples. Nope, I don't use fibs. Well, sometimes I use them. Well, sometimes I like to see where is the golden pocket, but I don't really use the fibs. Like here, let's see. What's the golden pocket here? Where's the golden pocket here? Right at this level, right? So yeah, if you break 500, most likely we move here. But I don't think that's gonna happen today, honestly. I don't think that's gonna happen, and everything depends on today's earnings. Judge Judy? Naples is beautiful, but it's like for old people. Like it's just for relaxing. Maybe if you wanna like get away for the weekend, only for the weekend. Like there's nothing to do there other than going to the beach. Maybe like a few spots to eat some fish, good fish, like, but not much to do there. It's like a very beautiful small town with a bunch of old people and Desi. Hola. Yeah, I lived like when I finished high school, I was a foreign exchange student in a very small town in Illinois. So I did my senior year there. Then I went back to Venezuela. I did college there, and then I came back and I lived in LA for a few months, and then I moved here to Miami to do my 2 master's degrees, and I stayed here I've been thinking about moving out of Miami because Miami it's getting like crazy expensive for what it is, and I think it's a mess. Miami right now it's a mess. Like any regular house is like 500K. If you want a decent house, you're gonna have to pay like 700K. But it's insane. I honestly think LA it's kind of like Miami. I know I have friends living in Houston. I don't like Houston. It's extremely boring. There's nothing to do there. But you can buy huge houses very cheap. Okay, let's see if the SPY is gonna break this high. Let's see if the SPY is gonna finally break this high and we can play that gap. I think the thing with me is that I like big cities. That I like the ocean because I grew up in the ocean, so I think that's why I kind of stayed here in Miami. Also, I like Miami because I speak Spanish all day, every day. I only speak English when I'm working, when I'm here with you guys. Yeah, I have two friends living there in Houston. I have visited them a few times. I never find anything to do there. Only eating very, very good Mexican food. That's the one thing that I love about that town, but nothing more. I like Katy. It's beautiful, but it's far from everything. Is this SPY gonna reject here again? Should we play this short? Kinda late. Yeah. Dang it. The thing is, I don't like playing shorts with big gaps above. No, I like talking while I'm trading. But that was a good scalp. Quick little scalp there, but like I said, I don't love shorting anything when you have a huge gap above. Okay, so Nvidia going for the VWAP. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna lose that VWAP. And 168 on Apple. So we're going higher, but the volume is going lower. That is not bueno for the upside. Volume going lower. If I were you, I will take the monthly fee. If you're new, you most likely are gonna blow up your first few PAs. Everyone does. It's very normal. You're gonna lose those PAs. So I will say always take the monthly fee until you have one PA that it lasts you more than a month. If you can hold one PA for more than a month, it means you're very good at it. So on your next evals or your next PAs, pay the one-time fee. Google looks like it wants to go for that gap. Big gap above. Thanks to Meta earnings. Come on, Spot, just break out here. Just do something. You pay the one-time fee? Oh, just try to not lose those PAs. That's it. What is moving to the upside with Google? Is anything moving besides Google? Let's see. AMT. Doing nothing. Amazon. Doing nothing. Meta. Holding. But doing nothing. No, I don't. If I want to trade any like upside or downside on the Q, I go with futures. Come on, break that level. Do something. Yeah, I have 2 master's degrees. Come on, SPY, just do it. Do it. Now. I'm going short here. Let's see. Going short on SPY. I got a business one and HR. Okay, looks like it's gonna break that. Let's see. If it pops here and really breaks out, I'm going long. Come on, just go lower. Go back down. Move. Come on, just move. 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 Do something. The hourly, let's see. Yeah, the hourly looks more bullish than bearish, but still it's not breaking that level. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, same thing with the Q. The Q also looks like a bear flag if we include the pre-market hours. Microsoft also looks like an ugly bear flag. Bum, bum, bum. I'm out. This thing's not moving. I made like $50 today. Yeah, pretty boring day. Expected, honestly. But I'm done. I'm done. I might trade something if I'm gonna put a alert here at the high, today high. If we breaks this high, I'm going for the gap. But right now we have nothing. This is very boring. It's almost 12 o'clock also. So yeah, I'm done with the stream, guys. Like, I'm up like, I don't know, $30 maybe. Nothing pretty much. So pretty boring day. But yeah, thank you for being here. See you guys mañana.